Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm reviewing these Coverado premium seat covers that are custom made for the Toyota Tundra. This is my 2020. These will work for the 2014 all the way up to the 2021 model. That's the bag they came in here, but these are real nice. Can't wait to put these in my car. They got these nice breathable, textured kind of finish here. They're compatible with your airbags, as you can see here. Get the little airbag cut out. They come with all the little clips you need to install them. So let me start installing this on my front seat over here. I'll show you guys some tips and tricks for getting them installed. But they give you full coverage of your front seat there. Really make your car look nicer. I have black interior, so this will be nice because it'll be less hot in the summer. So let me go ahead and get them installed, and I'll get back with you guys. All right, guys, I'm in my car now. Got the passenger side installed over here, and it looks awesome, super comfortable. Working on the driver's side. Again, you put these little things that come in the bag down here, and you stuff them in between the seats. On this one here, you use these little clips on the front, and then you just have to use these little clips here when you clip it to the back of the seat. So let me finish up installing, and I'll give you guys the final product, show you how it looks at the end. All right, guys, this is the final install. Looks really good, super easy to install, very comfortable, nice upgrade for the truck. Gonna put a link in the description where you guys can check these out. That's the passenger side over there. Got any questions, put them in the comments below. I'm really happy I got these. Really impressed with the quality of them. They really feel good. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch y'all next time.